Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I am participating in the Mardi Gras Tray Challenge that's being hosted by the Feathered Cottage with D and Bitty Boo Brown. Please check out their channels as well as the playlist, which I'll have linked below when it's available. And now I'm going to show you my Mardi Gras tray. So here is the tray I put together for this challenge. You were supposed to have a mask, Mardi Gras beads, and Mardi Gras colors. Well, I was trying to do this for no cost, and I did not have a lot of purple and green, so I decided to make mine a gold, black, and silver Mardi Gras tray, although I actually have two trays. I have one over here as well, and I did add a bit of purple in here just to give a hint of the purple from the Mardi Gras. I also do have some green that's muted because there's greenery in my floral display, and there's also green on my champagne bottle. So let me walk you through what I've done. I have used as the base for my tray the tray I painted in my Shop Before You Drop video, and if you haven't seen that, I'll link that for you in an iCard and down below in the description box. And then on my tray I put these two masks. Now I happen to have these masks because I attended with my husband a fundraiser that was a masquerade fundraiser. And so we had purchased these masks for that. So they were perfect for this because they had the gold, black, and white theme going with them. This was my husband's mask and this was my mask. And then my floral display, it's actually the one that I created for my New Year's tablescape. I thought it was appropriate because it was black and white, and it had touches of gold and green. And then also it has the music in it, and there's always music and festivities at Mardi Gras. And I thought it tied in nicely with the two masks and the tray. And then I did happen to have some silver beads. I know they're not the traditional color of beads, but I had a few of those necklaces lying around, so I just draped some of them in the tray area, and then I put one strand around the neck of the bottle of sparkling wine, and I added a couple of champagne flutes to the tray to celebrate Mardi Gras. And then, as I mentioned before, I did add this tray over here with some little appetizer plates, because you have to have good food, right? And some napkins with the gold, black, and white colors on this marble tray that I got on clearance from Target after Christmas. And then I did make this bow. I had these ribbons on hand, this sheer purple ribbon, and this sheer gold ribbon, and then this flocked sheer purple ribbon in the back. I didn't have any green ribbon, or I would have added it. And then I mentioned this before, but when I used to do Girl Scouts, someone had given us a bunch of these buttons for free to use in crafts. And so I just used them over and over again, and I stuck that over the chenille stem that I used to tie the bow together so that it would hide it before I put the rest of the bow together. So I thought that brought in a little bit of the purple with the gold. And then I had the gold and black and silver on this tray over here. So I'm really pleased with how this all turned out. So what did you think? Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part of my tray was. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you appreciate what I've put together and gives me ideas for what to do for future content. And I would also like to thank again the two ladies who hosted this challenge, and be sure to check out their channels as well as those of the other participants. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below or the icon in the corner down there. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you'll join in our community. I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.